NBC10 News starts now.
20 minutes of nonstop news begins with Alec Baldwin facing charges in the death of a cinematographer on a movie set. Prosecutors announced the Oscar-nominated actor will be charged with involuntary manslaughter. Thank you for joining us this afternoon. I'm Jacqueline London.
And I'm Johnny Archer. A weapons specialist who was working on the film will also be charged for what prosecutors cited as a criminal disregard for safety. NBC 10 and Telemundo 62's Valeria Ponte Feliciano joins us now with more on the charges.
That's right, Jackie and Johnny. Let's talk about that because the charges come more than a year after cinematographer Halyna Hutchins was shot and killed on the set of the movie Rust. Baldwin says the shooting was an accident, but prosecutors say there was a pattern of criminal regard for safety on the set of the movie in New Mexico. Baldwin was also a producer on the film. We talked with an attorney in our area who says that could have played a role in the case.
There was information that there were two other accidental shootings. There was also information that came out that some of the staff, there was changeover, there were people that were quitting, there were different people that were maybe not being used. Also, you got to take into account a third thing. He was actually the producer of this movie. And of course, he's the person that actually pulled the trigger. So he actually had more control over your normal actor.
Now, Baldwin's lawyer issued a statement which reads in part, "This decision distorts Halyna Hutchins' tragic death and represents a terrible miscarriage of justice. Mr. Baldwin had no reason to believe there was a live bullet in the gun or anywhere on the movie set. He relied on the professionals with whom he worked who assured him the gun did not have live rounds. We will fight these charges and we will win." Involuntary manslaughter in New Mexico is a fourth-degree felony. Baldwin could face up to 18 months in jail and a $5,000 fine if found guilty. The DA's office says the movie's first assistant director has already agreed to plead guilty to negligent use of a deadly weapon. I'm Valeria Ponte Feliciano. Jacqueline, back to you.
Thank you, Valeria.